car should not exist. Not because it was illegal, not because it was too expensive, but because it broke every rule engineers believed in. In 2005, Bugatti promised something impossible. A road car, 1,000 horsepower, over 400 kilometers per hour. This is the story of the Bugatti Veyron. At the end of the 1990s, Bugatti was almost forgotten. Then one man changed everything. Ferdinand Piëch, chairman of the Volkswagen Group, had a vision. During a train ride in Japan, he sketched an engine on an envelope. An engine so complex most engineers said it couldn't work. Piëch didn't care. He wanted the ultimate car, not profitable, not reasonable, unmatched. Building the power was only the beginning. Cooling it was the nightmare. 10 radiators, massive heat management, tires melting at high speed. At full speed, the Veyron empties its fuel tank in minutes. Its tires would disintegrate if pushed too long. To exceed 400 kilometers per hour, the driver must use a special key, not for safety, for survival. This car was a machine of obsession, not convenience. The Veyron was never meant to make money. Each car sold at a massive loss. Delays piled up, costs exploded, and some inside Volkswagen wanted to stop the project. Piëch refused. If we fail, he said, we fail trying. When the Veyron was finally revealed, people didn't rush to buy it. Too expensive, too extreme, too unnecessary. But slowly something changed. People realized this wasn't just a car, it was a statement. Then came the records, 407 kilometers per hour. For the first time, a production car crossed a line many believed impossible. After the Veyron, the world of hypercars was never the same. Everyone had to respond. Today, the Veyron is no longer the fastest. Technology has moved on. But no car since has shocked the world like it did, because no one else dared to be that unreasonable. And that is why, 20 years later, Bugatti looked back. They didn't create a tribute to speed, they created a tribute to obsession. The FKP homage exists because the Veyron existed, because sometimes the most important machines are born from refusal. The Bugatti Veyron was never meant to exist. That's exactly why it became a legend.